W790 small character inkjet printer editing operation video. The ink supply button now emits blue light, indicating that it is now in the ink supply state. Click Manage Message. Click Messages again and select File. Click Edit to start editing. Font sets the font size. Clicking on this icon will erase everything. Tap N at the bottom of the keyboard to switch the Chinese input method. Because the 7-point font is too small, there are only a fixed selection of common words. Switch the 9-point font. You can use Pinyin input method. The relative character library will be more. This controls the view. You can zoom in and out. Click this icon to save the file. Click barcode to select the QR code, but it must be edited before it can be added. From this screen, click Barcodes, select the file and click Edit to edit it. The code name can be set. You can also select code type. Click Content to edit the content. Version indicates that the graphics code type can be set. Inverse is to set the direction of the QR code. Level is the ability to set the obscured part of the QR code that can still be scanned out. The higher the fault tolerance rate, H is the highest fault tolerance rate, and L is the lowest fault tolerance rate. Tap the clock icon to insert it into the QR code. Click the icon in the middle to insert the serial number. Click on the last icon to add a shift. Click Save in the top right corner of the screen to exit. Click the arrow keys to control the cursor. Go to Barcode, select the just edited QR code and click Insert. Now add clock. Go to Clocks and select one of the files to edit. You can edit the file name and click on Standard Form to select some standard time formats to use. You can edit the time format according to the pictures in the video. Switch char is the ability to replace digits in time with characters. Veil period sets the number of days to be added to the original base time. Click Clock and select the file you just edited. Set the clock again and see what happens. The valid period is set to 365 days. What happens? I can see that time has increased by a year. Add counter now. Go to Counters and select Edit File. You can set the counter name. Start value sets the minimum counter value. Current value is the value that the set counter is currently printing. End value is the value of the counter when the count is set to terminate. Step value sets the number of units by which the counter is increased or decreased. Direction sets increasing or decreasing order. Repetition is set to the number of times the print is repeated before the count value is increased or decreased. Guide word can define a character to replace the leading zero. Int, dec generally set print. The reset value is the value from which to start the recount. When setting the reset, the default is to reset to the starting value. You can choose to customize to set a specified value as the reset value. Output reset sets the output reset signal, which can be selected as required. Click the save icon to exit. Click counter to add the counter you just set. Now add text. Go to Texts, select the file and click Edit. You can set the text name. Click on the blank box next to Content to edit the content. Click Save after editing. Click Text and select the text you just edited to edit. Now add Shift. Click Shift, and then set which characters to print at which times according to your needs. Click on the time to change it. Then click Save. The shifts will vary according to the set times. Tick Tower, add content, and its direction will change. Left-right invert and up-down invert after being checked. The desired effect will also be displayed. After triple is checked, the edited font is made 3 times larger. It will have this effect.